This is how you know she don't get in trouble enough. Because you're a bad dog. Yeah, that's how she reacts when I call her a bad dog.
She's a very good girl, very pretty girl, and she loves to go for walks outside. And sometimes she likes to play ball, but sometimes she's a bad girl. But most of the time she's a good girl.
Stay. Ready, set, banana, applesauce, bologna, go! I know.
You can't come. I have to go to work. I'm really sorry. Please don't look at me like this.